welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this Diwali glam makeup look. I've kept it all bronze with a red lip, which is quite wearable, and this is something that you can wear with any outfit. So yeah, if you want to know how I achieved this, then please keep on watching, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a like if you do like how this looks. Let's move on. I'm gonna start off with the Nykaa Prep Me Up face primer, and this has a quite silicone-y texture, so I'm just gonna concentrate it on the centers of my face for pore filling. Then using the PAC Spotlight Concealer, I'm just gonna prime my eyelid. This just helps the eyeshadows to stick better and also look more pigmented. For my eyebrows, I'm going to go in with the Purplle Mascara, as the wand of it is quite thin, so it does not take up much product. I'm just going to brush my brows upwards so that they get that feathery effect which I'm looking for. I'm cleaning out any of the mistakes, and then I'm just going to fill in the sparse areas using an eyebrow pencil. This one is by Miniso. Now I'm just going to use some concealer to clean out and carve the brows so that they look way more groomed. I'm adding some foundation to my forehead as it won't really affect the rest of my face. And then using the Purplle Winking Together Kajal in bronze, I'm just going to use it all over my eyelids as a base for the bronze shadow that I'm going to put later. This really helps to increase the intensity of the shadow. I blended it out with my fingers, and then taking the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, I took the transition shade from it, and I'm going to put it on my crease using a fluffy brush and blend it out. Also using a blending brush to blend it out as well. Now taking the dark brown shade from the same palette, I'm going to put it on the outer corners of my eyes as well as on my crease using a fluffy tapered blending brush, and then I'm also going to blend everything out. Now using the Makeup Revolution Mermaids Forever palette and using the bronze shade from that, I'm going to put it all over my eyelids where we put that base, and then using that crease blending brush once again, I'm going to blend everything out. Using the reddish brown shade, I'm going to put it on my outer corners using that same brush once again just to deepen it up a little bit and also add some warmth, after which I'm blending it once again. Taking some makeup remover wipes, I'm just going to clean out any fallout that I may have and also sharpening up the eye look. For my eyeliner, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline New York gel liner and the Pro Arte eyeliner brush. And I'm just going to create a tiny wing on my eyes. It's not going to be very dramatic, but it will elongate my eyes. I'm going to curl my eyelashes before moving on to falsies, for which I'm using the ones by Kingdom of Lashes in the variant Eye Candy. And for lash glue, I'm using the World of Loreal lash glue. It's really pretty and it comes with the doe foot applicator as well. I'm just going to wait till the glue gets tacky, and then I'm going to place it all over my natural eyelashes and using my fingers to just secure the place of the lashes. Then I'm using these tweezers to just blend in my real lashes along with the false ones. Now I'm using the Plum Kajal, and I'm just gonna tightline my upper waterline. For my face, I'm going to go in with the Lotus Ecostay foundation along with the Loreal True Match foundation. All the shades will be given below, and I'm just dotting it all over my face before blending it out using the Rumer Cosmetics Marshmallow Sponge. The foundation looks a little bit too pale right now, but it comes together in the end as you saw. I'm just going to bronze up a little bit more as it looks kind of pale on me. Now using the PAC Spotlight Concealer, I'm just going to put it on my under eyes as well as my mouth area, nose and forehead. This is going to give a really nice brightening effect to the face, and this one is a really full coverage concealer which is going to hide all your dark circles, and it's also quite long wearing. To set my face, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and after taking out the creases from my eye, I'm just going to set my under eyes in place. I'm not going to set my whole face as I come from the dry skin family and I don't really need to set it with powder, but if you're from the oily skin, do go for this. For my contour, I'm going to go in with the Sugar Mini Bronzer in Top Topper. I really love this one for contouring because it has a very cool undertone which helps to create a shadow on the face as opposed to a warm contour which provides like warmth to your face. So now you can see that my face looks instantly smaller than it was and has more dimension. For blush, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Colorshow blush in Creamy Cinnamon, and taking it on this fluffy huge brush, I'm going to put it all over the apples of my cheeks as well as my nose. For highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Master Chrome, as it is a beautiful highlighter for the festive season. I'm going to go overboard with it, and also making sure to put it on my cupid's bow as well as my chin, nose and forehead, basically all the high points of the face. And then using Makeup Fixer by Swiss Beauty, I'm going to spray it and wait for it to dry. While it's drying, I'm going to use my beauty blender to just blend everything out and melt every product into my skin. And then moving back to the eyes, I'm just going to complete them by using this Kajal on my lower waterline. Then using a pencil brush, I'm just going to smudge the Kajal out. I'm using the dark brown shade from the Wet n Wild palette to do this. I'm also adding some mascara to my lower lash line. Using the Stay Quirky Badass liner in Golden, I'm going to add it to my inner corners so that they pop way more, and also my eyes look wide open. For my lips, I'm going to use a lip liner first. This is the Maybelline Color Sensational lip liner in Red Cherry, and I'm just going to line my lips. When using dark colors, it is better to line your lips so that there is minimum bleeding and you get the shape right. For lipstick, I'm going to go in with the Sugar Smudge Me Not lipstick in Modern Auburn. This is a really pretty red, but this lipstick is so super drying even with the really moisturized lips. It's really drying, but it's a really pretty and pigmented shade. I'm putting on a bindi, and then we're going to move on to the hairstyle. So first I'm going to brush my hair through, and then using the back end of a comb, I'm going to do a middle part. Taking the section of hair from the front, I'm just gonna keep twisting it while adding new sections of hair as I twist it. Just see how I'm doing this because it's really hard to explain. And I'm just gonna keep on twisting and adding new sections till I'm happy with where I want it to be. And then I'm just gonna add a bobby pin to secure it. In fact, you should be adding at least 2 bobby pins to make sure that it stays up all day and night. Now I'm just brushing the rest of the hair. You can also curl your hair if you want. I'm gonna leave it straight, and then I'm just pulling it out a little bit to make it more voluminous. For jewelry, I'm gonna go in with these really pretty black and gold earrings from Lifestyle, and I'm also adding a really pretty necklace to complete the Diwali look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. A very happy Diwali to all of you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.